What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another channel. I don't have too much energy. Just got back from work. Got here late last night from the yard. Had to wake up mad early today to go to work. Yeah, just got home a few minutes ago. As you can see, we got something going on in today's video. We're gonna do something in the front of the car. Came back from the yard, found a part that I was waiting for like a month to get here, and it's finally here. And we are going to install it today. Yes, the part is in here. I don't know what it is. I do have to take the bumper off though. Can't even put the car straight because I have no space back there. My wheel, if I go more in, it's gonna hit right there on this side. So I'm gonna just do it right there. I gotta put this up. You guys already know how to remove a bumper, so I'm gonna do this real quick and I'll get back to you guys. I don't have my tripod here, it's at the house with the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this real quick, remove the bumper full. And then I'll show you guys what we're doing today. So antes de que se me olvide, muchachones, bienvenido a otro video, bienvenido al canal. Estoy medio cansado por si me ven sin mucho ánimo porque llegué tarde del aeropuerto anoche. Tuve que levantarme temprano hoy para ir a trabajar. Llegué hace un rato y vamos a meter mano de una vez con el carro. Una piececita que duré un mes esperando que me llegara eso. Bueno, tal vez más de un mes que me llegara eso, pero vine de Santo Domingo, encontré eso aquí y vamos a meter mano de una vez. So, aquí está, en esta caja. Vamos a quitar este bumper, ya ustedes saben cómo quitar un bumper. So, dame hacer esto y les enseño qué es lo que es. Guys, so here is what I'm installing. This is a brace, a front brace, the full brace from LWRCLssgarage. Ese es lo que le vamos a poner, ese brazalete al carro. Voy a poner el link abajo en la descripción. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. But first, I have to remove this. The snorkel from there is gonna be up for sale. Whoever wants me, hit me up. I'm in the Brooklyn. If it needs to be shipped, you pay shipping. But I'd rather do a local pickup. So if you're interested in that, hit me up and we can work on a deal or something. So yeah, I gotta remove this whole brace from here, the whole bracket, to be able to remove this, and then you can start installing that. So tengo que quitar esto de aquí para poder quitar eso de allá atrás para empezar a poner el otro de una vez. So ya yo quité el brace de ahí, el bracket ese. I already took that off. It was only like, I think it was like 7 screws on this side, bolts on this side, 7 on this side, the one that goes right here. No, I think it was, yeah, 6 on this side and 7 on this side. It was here, down there, these two, and yeah, you guys will find them. So now I have to go down here and take out a little screw, bolt, whatever that goes in there, up, coming up to hold this. That's gonna be a pain in the butt to get to. But yeah, if you guys don't have this, you guys don't gotta worry about that. You guys can just put it on. I don't even think you guys need to take this off to put this on. I think you guys just put it through there and there and put it on. But yeah, let me just take this off. Aquí está esto ahora. So now that I have this off, I have to see how to put this. I have not seen any instructions here. Did not come with any of that. But for what I think, for what I'm seeing so far, I think, let me see, I don't know. Let me try to put it, because I think it goes, I don't know. Let me try it with 2 hands because I don't want to scratch it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can place it in place, put it in place or whatever, and see how it goes because I don't want to scratch it. All right, guys. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to remove this whole thing. It's only 8 bolts. It's these 2 right here, 2 in the bottom, right there. Same on the other side. Then I can take this off. But the problem is that I have my headlight harness zip tied to that. So, but I'm gonna just try to disconnect them. See if I can manage to do it that way. I had to do something with the underglow because it's not letting me move my bumper from here. I'm gonna have to take them off from down there. And yeah. Shit, man. I'm gonna put that one back on. All right, guys. So it's 4. It's not 8. It's 4. It's only 2 on the top. Same on the other side is 2 and 2. I think this is let me see, 13. One is a 13. This is the 10. This is the 13th. So a 13th and a 10. 1, 2 on top. 1, 2. The same thing on the other side. And it goes down. So now I have to see where the bracket mounts. All right, guys. So yeah, I think there's supposed to be 4 bolts. 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, like I was saying. Because this one holds right there. Both sides, right? So on the bottom, it's supposed to go like this. So I don't have no more bolts, so I'm gonna have to use one of the ones that I have up here. You know, put one on here, then the other one holding it in the bottom, right there. Because there's no way, because I only have 2. I don't have 4, so I'm gonna have to use one for now till I buy another one and put them there to complete them. Same thing on the other side, right here. Then the other one goes right there. But I'm having a little problem here because this one is not reaching all the way up, so I can put the bolt in there. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do. But this is how she's looking. So, already got it there to fit. That one too. Down there. Down here. So now all I'm doing is trying to tuck the wires again to see how I can run them there where you can't see them. So yes, let me see what I can do, and then I'll get back to you guys as soon as I have everything back together. I'm tired. Look at my hands. Can't see them on the camera, but yep, dirty. Guys, I am finally done. I'm warming up the car now. You turn it around. You know, I've been here for a cool minute already, so look at my hands. You guys want to see it? There it is. There it is. There it is. Comment down below. What look do you guys think looks better? The intake snorkel that I had there, or the brakes? Let me know. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe, share it. Help your boy channel grow. You know, you guys liking it and commenting or whatever. That helps the channel grow. We almost at 300 subscribers. Love you guys. Appreciate all the love. You guys already know. I'll catch you guys in the next one.